So do we think that's a tree or a gap in the weir causing that water to do that? Yeah, I've seen some debris coming down here today. Where are you looking? All right. Where's it gone? I've lost it. I think it's just a branch, but. Yeah, so that's to go over now, isn't it? Did that go down the other side of that? Well, that there has got two giant corkscrew things. We think it's to pull water out or allow water through. We're not really sure. Nobody's actually said what it is. But there's some flats. Is that all washed away? The last time it was heavy like this, there was like a tunnel of an overflow, and there was so much water going through it, the pressure just pushed out all the brickwork and washed the whole thing away. Anyway, I'm gonna go now.